a room. This basically is a room. Hey guys, welcome back to Charm Speaker's channel after not a long time, but apparently it's a long time because the last time I filmed a video it was before my exams started, and this is like 1 week after my exams ended, so it's been like 2 months. I look like a mess, my skin looks like a mess, my room looks like a mess, everything is a mess currently. Even my mehndi is a mess. Like, what the hell is this thing? I hate when this thing happens, you know? Like when your henna just starts peeling off. Like, why do you even do that, dude? So today we're gonna try to solve the mess that I have created. Let me show you guys. So this is exactly how my room looks like. That's my bed where you can see papers, whatever, I don't even know what. You can see there my hijab hanging like nobody's business. Oh hey, look at my light. Okay, that's my study table, which looks more like a makeup table because there's like so much makeup in that. Let's move to the dressing table. And well, the dressing table looks very clean because all of my makeup is currently... Where's my bag? Okay, I have my school bag somewhere in that heap of clothes. So most of my makeup is... Oh no, I found it! There's my school bag, and that's where I have all the stuff I used to actually have in the dressing table. And woo, that's me! Okay, literally I'm walking with this thing because otherwise the light just won't focus. I'll just try to make all of this thing neat and clean and make my mom happy. You know that meme from Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham, Shah Rukh Khan and her mom, his mom, and then you know she's like staring and there's this from the background. I want that thing to happen. So here's the plan. At first I am going to organize the bed. I have like a lot of clothes there. I have ethnic clothes, I have my western clothes, so I like to keep them separated according to the type. For example, like you know what, I have I keep my pants in one compartment and then my western tops in another compartment, my dupattas in one side, and then my kameezes in one side and my ethnic pants in another side. So that's how we're going to fold them, and we're going to stack them on the bed separately, and then we're going to move them to the closet, and then we're going to move to the table. Now in this table I have like my A-level books, which I don't need anymore because I am hopefully done with A-levels, so I'm going to just keep organize the papers subject wise, and then I'll keep the books and the papers in those closets. I mean those, I don't know what you call those. Oh, by the way, look at that thing you see there. That's my brother's what do you call this in English? I have no idea, but this is called a pagri. This is something people wear on their weddings, so that's my brother's wedding pagri. And finally, we're going to move to this place. So I'm going to move to this place where I have my makeup, and let me show you guys. I actually have a lot more makeup. Wow. I have all this stuff here which is not organized. So some days ago just some guests came, so I just put everything inside. So I have these two boxes here which are like my makeup boxes. I'm going to keep whatever I need for regular use in this table, and the rest of the things are going to go in these boxes. Mehndi and nail paint combo. So let's get started.
2,000 years later.
So I am finally done folding all the clothes, and let me just show you guys. These are my kimonos which I didn't fold because I'm gonna hang them anyway, so there's no point in folding. I am going to keep all of this in my closet, and I'm gonna come back just right now. বাইরে ভাই এত গরম! Woo. This is called a charu. If you're not from Bangladesh, this is a room. This this basically is a broom. If you're not from So if you guys are not from Bangladesh or the entire South Asia, then you might not know, but this is what we use to dust our beds. This is called the sholar charu in Bengali. Let's go and clean up the table. Well, this place looks pretty, squeaky clean. I actually have dust allergies, so I suddenly got a cold. Every time I clean my room or anything, I just get a cold. Let's show you guys how it looks like right now. Look at that bed. It's like literally there's nothing on it other than the AC remote and my glasses. The AC remote is gonna be in the bed anyway, and my glasses, I'm gonna wear them after I'm done with this video. So here's my table. I have my hajmola there because when I study, I actually kind of get high on hajmola. And I have tissues because you see, I always carry tissues no matter what because I always have a cold. There's those makeup boxes that I have the basic stuff I need almost every day, and then there's me with the light. So this is the first time I ever cleaned up my room such quickly, because every time I clean up my room, you just find that nostalgic thing and you're like, oh my god, what's this, and you kind of obsess about that thing for a long time. So yeah, today I did it real quick, and I'm kind of impressed with whatever I did in such a small time. So I hope you liked this video. I mean, this was a very stupid video, but if you did, then don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I thought that from now on, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, I'm gonna give you a shout out. Subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon and comment #CharmSquad, and you'll get a shout out inshallah in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.